In our funded and focused feature, solopreneurs seeking a path to greater funds can use very advanced technology for their benefit. Think about AI-powered client acquisition systems. AI can help solopreneurs build a consistent pipeline by automating outreach, lead capture, and follow-up. Intelligent chatbots on websites and social media can answer questions instantly, qualifying prospects and book consultations without manual involvement. AI can also generate targeted content and analyze which messages attract the right audience, helping solopreneurs focus on high-value prospects instead of broad marketing efforts. Platforms such as HubSpot integrate AI-driven marketing, email automation, and lead tracking so that potential clients move through a structured system rather than relying on sporadic outreach.